Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, you have permissions, now begin. Open the SharePoint site, navigate to the document library or list, and select the view you need. Make sure columns are correct. Once done, click the Export to Excel button for a list, or open the specific file and choose Edit in Desktop app for a file. This creates a connection file or opens the workbook. Name it clearly so you recognize the linked source later. You'll use this link in the next steps. Open the IKEY file that SharePoint produced. Excel will prompt to establish a web query connection. Accept it. Once the table appears, go to Data, then Queries and Connections to inspect the connection properties. Here you set authentication method and background refresh. You might map or transform columns via Power Query if you need filters or type conversions. Make sure credentials use the intended account, otherwise the query may fail when scheduled or refreshed by others. Save the Excel workbook and enable Refresh on Open if you want live updates. This keeps the link to the SharePoint list or file. If you need automated refreshes, configure a scheduled task or use Power Automate or a shared service account. If refresh errors happen, first re-authenticate in Excel's data source settings, then verify SharePoint permissions and that the list view still exists. If problems persist, recreate the export from SharePoint to generate a fresh IKEY and reconfigure any Power Queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.